Hello everyone, welcome to Windows OS Hub. Administrative group policy templates should be updated regularly whenever new Windows builds or managed applications are released, so you can expose and configure their latest policy settings via GPO. In this video, I demonstrate how to download, install, and update new group policy ADMX templates on standalone Windows computers or in a central store within an Active Directory domain. The settings available in the Windows Group Policy Administrative templates are defined by the ADMX files stored in the Windows Policy Definitions directory. For example, I want to update the administrative templates so the Group Policy Editor displays new options introduced in Windows 11 version 25H2. In order to do this, you will need to download the administrative template package for the latest Windows 11 build from the Microsoft website. Install the template files from the MSI package. The installer will save the new group policy template files to the Program Files directory. To update the existing group policy templates, copy the new files into the Policy Definitions system directory, replacing the existing ones. However, it is recommended that you back up existing ADMX templates before updating them, as this will allow you to revert to the previous version if an issue occurs. I created a directory and copied the files from the PolicyDefinitions folder into it. Now, copy all the files with the ADMX extension from the Windows 11 25H to Policy Templates directory and paste them into the Windows Policy Definitions directory, overwriting existing files. If you are using a localized version of Windows, you must also copy the ADML files to ensure that the Group Policy Editor settings are displayed in the correct language. Do not copy all language directories, only copy the folders containing the languages that you actually use. Open the Group Policy Editor to check whether new sections and options have appeared under the Administrative Templates node. Next, I will install the new Group Policy Administrative templates for the Microsoft Edge browser and the Microsoft Office package. Download the policy installation files for each product you need. The way in which group policy templates are distributed may vary depending on the product. Your task is to install or extract them on your computer. First, I extract the policy templates for the Edge browser and then for Microsoft Office. It remains to copy the new ADMX files and language folders to the Windows Policy Definitions system directory. After copying the new files, open the local group policy editor to verify that the new Office and Edge nodes appear under administrative templates. Next, I will demonstrate how to install or update administrative policy templates within an Active Directory domain. Domain group policies are stored in the Windows SYSVOL domain policies folder on domain controllers. In order to make new group policy templates available on all DCs, a policy definitions directory must be created in this folder. The ADMX files in this folder are automatically replicated to the other domain controllers. Copy the group policy template files for the products you want to manage to this directory. When you open any domain group policy object, the editor will show that the administrative templates are being loaded from the Central Store. In my case, the policy editor only displays Microsoft Office nodes, but standard templates with Windows settings are missing. This means I need to copy the contents of the local policy definitions folder to the policy directory on SYSVOL. The domain GPO Editor now displays all options. That's all. Like the video and subscribe for more sysadmin tips from Windows OS Hub. See you later.